We were telling you about the petition that has been filed, and the petitioner said that the stubble burning is being done on a large scale in Punjab every day. Situation has become very bad. The Chief Secretary should be summoned. That is the request of the petitioner. Supreme Court to hear this matter on November 10th. Going across to my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, our legal correspondent. Ananya, the stubble burning is especially bad in the first week of November, and after that it actually abates, and according to experts, because of the wind direction as well, the national capital is going to get respite from the 6th of November onwards. Is 10th November early enough for this hearing? What are the petitioner's views on this?
Well, yes, the petitioner has definitely said that the stubble burning is the largest problem when it comes to tackling air pollution in the national capital. Because remember, this neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana are engaged into stubble burning, and that's the reason why he said that a high-level committee should be set up, and in fact, the chief secretaries of these particular states to be summoned and to basically question them as to why there has not been a remedial measures in place of stubble burning, and what could be a practical solution to this problem. Because stubble burning is something that the farmers would definitely do until and unless they're given out actually a redressal mechanism to it. And apart from that, what is very, very clear at this point of time is that on November 10th, when the Supreme Court will be hearing this matter, we might see a slew of directions coming in from the topmost court of the country. What would also be very, very interesting is to which bench this matter would particularly go, whether it would be staying with the Chief Justice of India, who would by then be changed, and would be Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and we'll have to see as to how the Supreme Court would be reacting to it. But then, as we see that urgent hearing has already been allowed, we can see how serious the Supreme Court too is about this. We have seen how in the last few years, when the matter has reached the Supreme Court had passed directions to shut down schools. It had also given out directions to, in fact, stop stubble burning and to give out a redressal mechanism to the farmers. However, nothing has changed as we see the current situation, and as the experts are also telling that from 6th to 8th of November, the wind would change, in fact, and the situation might worsen. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things change. Advocate Shashank Shekhar Jha had actually mentioned this matter before the topmost court of the country, and now on November 10th, we'll see as to which bench would be hearing this matter, particularly whether it would go before the new Chief Justice of India, the 50th Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, or not, and how will the Supreme Court take note of this matter. Shilpa.
We'll keep an eye on that. Thank you very much for joining us, Ananya. Now taking a look at the leads coming in to the Coimbatore blast.